There are a variety of herbs that can help with lung health. And these herbs can greatly benefit the lungs in a variety of ways, including assisting with asthma, fighting respiratory illness, breaking up phlegm, and even fighting inflammation. Top 10 Herbs for Respiratory Infection. Lobelia. According to Potter's Encyclopedia of Botanical Drugs and Preparations, this lovely purple-flowered plant is one of the most significant discoveries in herbal medicine. It was once used in Appalachian traditional medicine to treat bronchial asthma. It is now more commonly known as Indian tobacco. We now know that it contains an alkaloid called lobeline, which aids in congestion relief and mucus thinness. It is used in over-the-counter medicine to treat bronchitis due to its antispasmodic properties, which results in deeper and easier breathing. Elecampane. Elecampane, also known as horse heel, has long been used to relax and soothe tracheal muscles by the Chinese, Indians, Greeks, and Romans. The herb's healing properties are attributed to two specific compounds, known as inulin and lantolactone. When the bronchial tube linings become swollen and red, breathing can become extremely difficult and painful. Inulin soothes the tubes, while lantolactone clears the congestion, making it easier to breathe. Lungwort. Plants that resembled particular human physical characteristics were thought to be advantageous to the area of the body they resembled in the early 1600s. Lungwort was commonly employed as a cure for respiratory illnesses because it was supposed to resemble human lung tissue. While this hypothesis was subsequently debunked, contemporary research has indicated that lungwort's antioxidant and secretolytic, mucus-clearing properties may help to improve lung health. It is often used as a respiratory aid in modern herbal medicine because of its ability to relieve inflammation in the airways and its calming effects. The amazing antioxidative properties of lungwort contribute to its effectiveness as a respiratory aid. Antioxidants are essential for maintaining healthy organs and overall well-being, particularly in the presence of pro-oxidants, or hazardous free radicals, which polluted air sadly has in abundance. Astragalus. Astragalus paniculata is a herb that has been used in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda for a long time. Astragalus, sometimes known as Indian echinacea, is a bitter-tasting herb rich in chemicals called astragalus. Anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antioxidant effects are thought to exist in these substances. When compared to other herbs, standard therapy, or a placebo, scientists concluded that astragalus appeared to be useful for reducing symptoms of acute upper respiratory tract infections in a 2017 research review. In comparison to standard treatment, astragalus was found to reduce the length of coughs, sore throats, and sick days. Astragalus. To name a few qualities, the herb has anti-inflammatory, immunomodulating, and antioxidant capabilities. It is commonly used as a lungs tonic and to help guard against respiratory infections in Chinese medicine. Astragalus is also commonly used by herbalists as an immune booster and adaptogen. Herbal medicine uses the roots of the Astragalus plant in particular. Because of the earthy flavor of the roots, tinctures, added to soups, crushed in supplement form, or used in combination with other herbs, are all acceptable ways to use astragalus. Astragalus is often used as an immune booster, thus anyone using immunosuppressants or suffering from autoimmune illnesses should avoid it. Thyme. Another great herb for lung health is thyme, which may be simply cultivated in your backyard. Although it is commonly used in cooking, thyme is a powerful medicinal herb with a wide range of therapeutic characteristics and applications. The thyme plant is a member of the mint family and grows to be only a foot or two tall. We flavor our meals with the tiny aromatic leaves, and the aerial portions are all used to manufacture essential oils. Thyme is useful for a variety of things, but it's especially good for coughs, colds, respiratory disorders, bronchitis, facilitating breathing, and breaking up phlegm, to name a few. It's also known to help with lung health. Thyme can be used in a variety of ways to improve lung health. One of the simplest methods is to liberally sprinkle it over your food. It can be made into tea, extract, decoction, or essential oil, among other things. During the cold and flu season, you may also make a simple thyme syrup to help with respiratory problems. Simply decoct some dried herbs and combine them with honey and freshly squeezed lemon juice. White Horehound. This well-known cough drops and cough syrup component help to relieve spasms, release mucus, and expectorate it. It is extremely beneficial in cases of excessive mucus, such as sinus infections, allergies, chest congestion, and postnasal drip. It thrives in a dry, sunny location and will rot in rich, excessively mulched soil or if it becomes too wet. It's best used as a fresh plant tincture, syrup, or honey because it's extremely bitter. Commercially available dried Horehound is usually of poor quality, but you can readily dry leaves for use in treatments, such as capsules or tea without losing efficacy. Marshmallow. Mallows are the ultimate moisturizing herbs. They're soothing and slimy, and they're great for when your lungs and respiratory system are dry or irritated. Marshmallow prefers meadows or well-kept garden beds with rich, somewhat damp soil, and medium to full sun. Wild mallows can be found in a variety of habitats. It's simple to grow. Once you've found the right site for it, pick early in the season to avoid ravenous Japanese beetles. The slime produced by Marshmallow Root is the most noticeable, but people enjoy the velvety texture and soft dampness of the leaves. Leaves are easier to collect and may be dried in large quantities. Include the flowers if you want. Tea, cold infusions, broth, and syrup are the finest ways to extract the calming mucilage. The flavor is mild and slightly sweet, making it ideal for balancing out stronger fragrant and drying herbs in recipes. Except in little amounts to preserve, stay away from alcohol. Plantain leaf. Plantain leaf is not to be confused with the banana-like fruit plant of the same name. It is a weedy, green plant native to North America, Europe, and Asia that has been used to treat health problems for millennia. This plant is mentioned in Anglo-Saxon manuscripts from the 1500s as a miracle treatment for a wide range of diseases. Plantain's main components are thought to minimize inflammation, reduce the impact of dangerous organisms, and relieve respiratory problems. It's still utilized in modern medicine as balms and medications for treating rheumatism, regulating cardiovascular problems, and relaxing the respiratory system. Plantain leaf has been found to be effective in lowering lung irritation and coughing in recent clinical trials conducted in Germany. As a result, it has become a common constituent in several European respiratory treatments. Mullein. Mullein has long been regarded as one of the most beneficial herbs for respiratory health. Although mullein comes in a variety of species, common mullein can be found growing along the side of the road in most states and many other places of the world. The woolly plant can reach a height of over 7 feet and has huge, thick leaves with yellow blooms on top. Mullein has a velvety texture due to the delicate hairs that cover the plant. For years, it has been used to treat a variety of ailments, including those directly related to lung health. Mullein has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial effects, making it useful for clearing phlegm and treating inflammation. Coughs, colds, lung problems, breathing problems, and other ailments have all been treated with it in the past. Traditionally, dried leaves were burned and inhaled through the smoke, or the leaves themselves were rolled and smoked. This, on the other hand, is not a good idea. Instead, the flowers and leaves can be used to make a tea, extract, or decoction, which can then be taken to help with lung health. The bottom line: herbs can be utilized in a variety of ways to help with lung health. Herbs, whether added to food, consumed as tea, or absorbed as a scent, can be extremely good to the lungs. Some herbs can help you breathe easier, while others can help you fight disease, break up mucus, and relieve coughing. Needless to say, most herbs have a wide range of applications and can help with a variety of problems. Consider utilizing one of the herbs recommended in this video if you have a lung-related health concern or simply want to improve or maintain the health of your lungs. Each one has its own set of qualities that make it an excellent option for promoting lung health.